this thing called? Yeah, magic masseuse on the neck. I've done it. It sucks. It's on one.
Jesus, look at his muscles contracted.
Let's try cupping. Oh damn it.
My ears.
Otto's random. I am.
Bang, bro.
What is that thing for?
It's a massage. It's a going.
God damn it. I got it. Fuck. I gotta go.
Otto, go. You feel it? Okay, here's need.
What?
That's need. This is type of pulse. This is on 3, 4, 5. Look at his hand.
Crank that bitch up, let's see what she'll do.
That's it for you.
No. I feel like you burnt my
Can I flick 'em?
nipples.
Can I flick 'em? Are they hard?
Oh, that hurts.
Hey, at least we know it works. Time to get Pat.
No. Hold on.
Oh no. Put it on your neck and put one on each arm.
Hold on.
Under the arm?
Not under the arm.
Where's the flip that one over this one. Alright. These go here. That was my
mama
fucking
raised her bull, but
wrist.
it's not me.
One on each arm.
I'll watch. I bet you would.
No, put them right here.
You might even run the controller, wouldn't you?
Dude, it looks like you're about to do one of those weird dances.
Macarena.
What do you want? You want need, perego, massage, stroke, acupuncture, cupping, or auto?
Auto.
Auto.
That's why I'm going this way. Okay. God damn it. Oh, whoa!
Round 2, 3, 4. You done?
What do you make it to?
I maxed her out.
Get Pat now.
Yeah.
Get fucking Pat. I want to see Pat fucking smoke.
All right, stroke it is. We'll start low. How's that one? Good.
How you feel it?
We're at 6, 7, 8, 9. You're maxed out. Do the funky chicken. Take a drink. Try a drink.
You almost look like you can dance.
This is Otto.
Alright, dude, what the fuck? Turn it up all the way.
No, I'm on 4 right now. 3. Okay, we'll do a different. Okay, we'll go to
You want to see
need.
a permanent smile?
not a smile or ow. Ow. Alright, man.
That one a little bit better?
That one hurt. He turned it off.
Turn it over.
Oh,
There's not time for Renee.
what the? What does this say? This is meant for humans.
Now.
Alright, turn it off, TJ. Yeah.
And
Hey!
You did. Well, yeah, turn it on, yeah.
what the hell did you just say?
Yeah, turn it on, oh.
He said that.
The muscle relaxer.
No, it's not.
It's a mental tensor. It makes you mental tense.
I thought it was supposed to relax your muscle.
To a certain intensity.
They put it on your leg and my leg broke when they were.
Well, James got one of those ab things, and that's when I had
Push that down.
I was like, if we get a shot, you can play.
Oh, sweet.
On that wire, sweet.
Oh, yeah.
That a little better?
What does all the things say? Oh.
Knee, Parego, massage. It's different types of.
Those are the different options.
Yeah.
So that's what you're running
Yeah.
What are these ones over here? Acupuncture? Is that some other options?
Yeah.
Dan, what are you
Got
doing?
acupuncture. He's on acupuncture right now. That happens.
That's like pins going, needles going in here?
Like that type of thing. Then you got cupping. Then you just keep on turning it up.
TJ, stop! Ah.
Then you turn it off.
They're gonna wake up in the
Yeah.
so sore.
TJ, dog.
You get Pat? You want to keep going? Want to try something else? Let's try your abs. Abs or nipples?
Alright.
Go 10.
Abs and nipples.
Like we did a shock treatment. Come on. Come here.
Yeah, we're doing some shock treatments.
Now look at this. Like you should see our margarita machine.
Dude, this is only
Alright,
on one.
Oh, fuck.
Hit it.
Oh.
I am. I'm on one.
Oh. Oh. Oh, dude. Okay, stop. Stop, TJ, stop. Stop.
I almost did. Even
Stop.
6.
I'm done.
You're done?
He said
It's on his nipples and his abs.
How far did you go up?
I made it to 6, but I can start at 1.
Yeah, you
There's
did.
1 right there.
Yeah,
There's
you
1.
Went, you went to 6, and I was like, oh my god. My nipple almost ripped off.
That's what it feels like, but it doesn't. I already did it. I was at 10.
He had both of those in his hands, and I turned it up to 10 to see if it worked and turned it on. That was awesome.
Turn the
On or up?
Get him 10.
Oh, okay, stop, 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 stop. Oh. Woo!
You made it to 9. Actually, you made it to like 6 instead of stopped.
All right, my turn.
I'm not doing a 10.
I'll do it.
Ready, Pat? 1 time. You might want to.
I
Ready?
did a 10.
It's on 10. It's on 10.
Ready? Ready?
Oh! Stop! 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 Stop!
No, I turned it off.
Stop! Stop!
All right, it's off.
Okay, go ahead.
How you feel?
Turn it off. Turn it
There you go.
Ow! Fuck!
Start walking.
Is that 10?
No.
Okay, good. Because that's nothing. That's 10?
Yeah.
Fuck, I like it way better on my arms. Ow. Ow. Nope. It has to go on my arms.
That's
What are you
10.
doing?
I put it on 10.
What?
I just moved
You
it.
had it on 10.
Yeah, I put it on auto. Now it's on cupping.
Yeah, but my feet are numb.
Here's Need. How's Need for you?
My feet went numb.
Okay, Need ain't that good. Here's Borrego. How's Borrego? Nothing?
That's good, actually.
Here's Massage. Nothing? Stroke?
No. I'm done. I'm going back to my fucking arms. Here, someone take this. Serious. Come here.
It ain't gonna do nothing.
Pat, grab this. Just touch it. Here, like shake hands.
Take it off you.
Here, grab this.
It ain't gonna do nothing to you. As long as you guys touch, now touch. Now touch them. Does it do anything?
Fuck,
No.
it does to me.
Alright, we'll turn it off.
Okay, now you can do it.
What do you want? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wait, 4, 5, 7. 7. 1 through 7. Pick one. One through 10. Which one? 5. You right there, man?
Yeah. Hold on. Yeah, okay.
No, it's your muscle. That's what it's supposed to do. This is a massage.
Go.
Don't fight it, dude. You do more damage. Now you start like yourself.
It gets stuck. My fingers get stuck in one spot.
Duh. Don't fight it.
I can't. Can't. Fuck.
Just don't do that, dude. This is cupping. That was cupping. Here's Need.
Oh.
done.
I'm done.
What's wrong? That fucked you up?
I hurt.
From what?
Oh my god! I'm done.
Take it off! Take it off!
I can't move. God damn it. I feel drunk.
Alright, I'm done.
I was pulling my skin, that's why I hurt.
Oh. Okay, never mind then. I'll keep going. It's off. So far.
That's me.
Probably. How'd that feel?
On fire!
Oh, it hurts.
You relaxed now?
Yep. Something.
Wonder your back?
No. Maybe. Yeah, let's try that.
Okay, we'll do the back. Next step, back.